Flying Etihad Business Class is more than just traveling. It's about indulging in a premium travel experience. And today, we're taking you on board for a journey from Kuala Lumpur to Abu Dhabi that's as luxurious as it is memorable. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know, from the cost of the ticket, the exquisite dining options, and the comfort and features of the business class seat. Whether you're considering an upgrade or just curious about what it's like, stick around to discover if this experience is truly worth it. But this flight also has an unforgettable highlight, so make sure to stick around till the end because we were invited to see inside the cockpit of the 787-9 Dreamliner that we flew on. All right, we are in the air now. It was a very smooth takeoff. I want to go over some of the details of this flight. So this plane model is a 787-9. It's in a 1-2-1 configuration. If you're not sure what that means there's aisle access for every seat. There's a window seat on one side, 2 middle seats, and then another window seat on the other side. The footwell is very comfortable. I'm a pretty big guy, but even for me and my size 12 sneakers, there's ample foot room. And Etihad is partnered with Armani. So we have an Armani duvet and also an Armani amenity kit. I'm going to go ahead and get into that in a little bit, but the meal service is about to begin. So I'm going to have some food first, and I cannot wait to try it. The meal options are incredible looking. We'll get into that in a little bit. I think we can all safely agree that when you are flying long-haul business class, you're able to get a much more comfortable sleeping experience due to the seats going lie flat. The only thing is, not every lie flat seat is created equally, and sometimes they have really oddly shaped footwells or it's just really small, and it can actually cause a little discomfort when you're trying to sleep, but that was not a problem with Etihad's business class. This is my first time flying on an Etihad flight, and I really love the details of the cabin, the fixtures, the high-definition TV. We have a remote control, the seat controls. Really impressed with how they're doing things, and the customer service on board so far has been fantastic. Honestly, they are right up there with some of the best flights that I've taken, and I've been on Emirates first class, Lufthansa first class, ANA. So I know a little bit about customer service on these luxury business class and first class flights, and Etihad is doing very well for themselves. Alright, so I just cracked open the Amenity kit from Armani, and it's very nice. It has all the essentials that you need. There was hand and body lotion. There was facial spray, which comes in very handy to keep your skin moisturized on these long flights. There's also an eye mask and earbuds. And the flight attendant came around and passed around some slippers as well, which I wasn't expecting, especially for such a short flight where they're not going to be giving out pajamas, but they came around and passed that around as well anyway.
Hi guys. Now that I'm comfortable and settled and got a little bit of something in my stomach, I'm ready to talk to you guys. I'm getting a little back massage, which I didn't even know was on the flight, on this Etihad business class flight. It was very needed because walking around with the backpack is ghetto. It's not fun. But anyway, I just enjoyed some mint tea and some nuts to hold me over until my starter comes. To start, I ordered marinated poached prawns. It's supposed to come with long bean and grapefruit salad, and anything that you order, it automatically comes with a side salad and some bread. And also, for my main course, I ordered penne pasta. For dessert, because I'm not gonna pass that up, I got the New York cheesecake. It's raspberry coulis and blueberries. Sounds good. You also have the option of getting some fruit and ice cream. They have a selection of Haagen-Dazs ice cream, so I might get into that as well. Don't judge me, okay? So I'm excited to see what everything tastes like. The menu on this Etihad Business Class flight is definitely worth speaking about. I was very impressed by the variety of options as well as the presentation and flavor, of course. The food was so fresh you would think you were dining at a restaurant.
That is so good. I'm glad I got this. So flavorful and refreshing. My main course is here. I ordered the penne pasta. It comes with pumpkin, courgette, aubergine, pesto cream sauce, and parmesan. So I'm pretty sure courgette is a zucchini. That's what we call it in the US. And aubergine, that's eggplant. It looks very good. Let's dig in. You can't really go wrong with pasta, right? It looks so good. This is very good. Let's get some pumpkin in there. Very creamy. They weren't lying about the creaminess. I do wish it had a little meat in it though. That's the only thing. That's alright. Nice. It's still very good. Okay, so I totally underestimated my level of hunger because I tore that pasta up. I didn't think I was that hungry, but it was delicious. I'm very satisfied. So I'm gonna digest a little and wait for my dessert to come because I still have room for that, of course.
If you have made it this far in the video, first of all, thanks for watching. And if this video has been helpful in any way in giving you an idea of what to expect on Etihad Business Class, please consider giving us a like for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe because there are a lot more business class and first class flight reviews coming your way.
Dessert is here. So excited. But I feel like I can't even eat it because the presentation is just on 10. So beautiful. But we're gonna eat it though. Alright. Let's dig in. Okay. I don't even like cheesecake that much because I'm very particular about it. I don't like mushy cheesecake. I like it to be kind of firm. This is cold and nice. Let's see what it is. New York cheesecake, raspberry coulis, and blueberries. Absolutely delicious. I'm gonna eat it with a spoon though. That just makes more sense. Let's get a blueberry in there. It's raspberries. That is so good. No regrets. Done.
So I wanted to show you guys the bathroom I'm in here. It's just a regular sized airplane bathroom, but it comes with some really cute and cool features that I wanted to show you real quick. So let's spin this around. Down here you'll see some hand sanitizer and some really moisturizing hand cream. As you can see, the sink, you don't have to touch anything. You just put your hand underneath and the water starts running. I love that. The less things I have to touch, the better. Here is the toilet. Same thing for the toilet. You don't have to press anything. You just wave your hand over that sensor over here and it automatically flushes. Up here you'll find the changing table and a really nice full length view. So now that my belly is full, I'm going to try to catch a quick nap. I don't want to sleep the entire time that I'm on the flight. I want to wake up and get some work done. But I'm gonna try to take like a 45-minute nap. I'm going to set an alarm so I actually get up. And then after that, I'm gonna do some work on the plane and then I'll see you guys. So the next time I see you guys, it'll probably be in Abu Dhabi. So see you guys later. The fully flat bed features allow you to sleep comfortably on a long haul flight, but since I didn't want to get too deep into my sleep, I left it upright and it was still very comfortable.
We got up pretty early so that we could make it on time for our flight this morning. And we have a couple hours left until we land, so I'm going to see if I can catch some sleep so I can wake up refreshed to explore Abu Dhabi once we land. See you in a little bit. I was able to get a very much needed nap in and I feel refreshed. I woke up a little hungry, so I ordered a salad. It was sweet potato and beetroot. It had some feta cheese, some caramelized walnuts, and it was delightful. I also wanted just to talk about my overall experience so far on the flight. Honestly, it is 10 out of 10. Between all the various amenities, the customer service, the hard product, the seat design and everything like that, Etihad did really well, and I can see why they are such a competitive player in this space, going up against the likes of Emirates and all the other top airlines. But so far, honestly, in terms of business class, it is by far the best business class flight that I've taken, and even rivaling some of the first class flights that I've taken. So I would highly recommend booking Etihad Business Class. I booked this flight with 40,000 miles, 40,000 American airline miles, and about $50 in taxes and fees for each person. I booked this for me and my wife, and that was an incredible use of our miles. Super affordable. If you have made it this far into the video, first of all, thank you for watching and tuning in. And if this video has been helpful in giving you a really good impression on what it's like flying Etihad Business Class, then please give us a like and subscribe. We have a lot more coming your way. We have coming up next Etihad First Class Apartments, which I am very excited for. Being invited into the cockpit of a 787-9 Dreamliner was an experience that I won't soon forget. From the moment that I stepped inside, I was blown away by the sheer complexity and sophistication of all the controls. It's not every day that you get this kind of access, so it gives me a whole new appreciation of what it takes to fly such an incredible machine.